Sige, balisan na natin.
Okay.
Ay, meron na pala.
You want to be a makeup artist? More. You have to go. Na 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 na. Dami ko nag-love say. Na 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 na. Dami ko nag-love. Nakaraan.
Ito pa yung hindi po, ano?
Di, nagsusulit ko. Makeup ko. Ang ganda naman ng makeup kanina. Di ba? Di, ano nang ginawa mo? Isang live lang.
Si Carol, ito ba po yung hindi, ano? Hindi po, ano, liquid.
Ano yun, ma?
Ito time for mom.
Ganda pa yung mami si Ben.
Later.
Di, dandahan lang kasi.
Sige po.
Sachi, here, I'm gonna teach you. What color for your eyebrow?
Hindi pala sa'yo.
10, 20.
Bawal kasi bawal.
Di, ito tissue, Bi. Kawawa na. Ay, wala. Dali. Sachi, here. I'm gonna put pink lipstick. Look. Sachi, oh. Come here. See? Pink. What color do you want? Pero di na 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 mahulog ang loob sa'yo na na na. Wow!
Wait, pero.
Pwede pa po.
Di, kasi naman inayos na na. Binura mo pa kasi. Sayang tuloy. Ang ganda siyang lipstick. Ang ganda naman kasi kanina, Di. Binura mo pa. Sachi, ah!
Cute sasagot.
Hindi na sassy girl talaga eh. Pati nga, Ate Carol.
Si MJ. Di, pero nga, Be, lalagyan ko ng lipstick ko doon. Sachi, oh, look, I'm gonna put makeup. Lagyan lang dun, sampay mo lang sa bitana, babe. Sachi, oh, here.
Ayan,
Ang pagmamalang, babe.
Hi, Tom.
Nagtitreten siya sa'yo.
Ito pa gala aman.
Sachi, oh. I'm making this one. You said, Be yung skin.
Ay,
Be ko na, sumayaw ka na nga, Be.
mama? Be, kasi ang...
Di, tulungan mo na nga si Maxine dito kung anong gusto niyang gawin. Paano ba gusto mo? Be makeup?
basta po, wait lang.
Anong gusto niya ba
Gusto
makeup?
po. Batingin nga po nito. Can I see, please?
Curl.
You have eyeliner?
Wala, Be. Tinapon ko ni. Dala ni Ashley yun sa akin eh. Sachi, ah.
Okay, freckles time. Ay,
Meron ka dito.
Pagdaanan ko.
hindi kaya ko na.
Ako na.
Te, si Papa yung ginagawa mo.
Give me that.
Yun.
It's fine. It's fine.
Nahulog ang loob.
Now for freckles time. For you. Ate, get time for freckles time.
No, Sachi, Ate Maxine is going to do it. Ate Gingging and she's Ate Maxine. They have the same name.
Your same name? Gusto mo ba mas mama? Ito ah.
Hoy!
Bakit mo kasi gano'n? Uy!
Binura pa kasi ni Bingbing. Ang ganda na nga eh. Sayang na yung makeup ko, Bingbing. Bibigay ko nga kay Maxine ng iba dyan. Papaalam ko muna kay Ashley, be, ha? Habe,
Ano oras na ba?
gabi pa. Hanggang gabi ka pa, diba?
Wala ka!
Be, si Alden. Nasira na si Alden kasi nang nasira mo last time. Bibenta ko pa yung kay Boss Toyo, eh.
Wiggle. Kasi ako.
Joke lang. Gabi siya.
Uy, nahulog!
Yun, natanggal na yung ulo.
Nakakatakot. Natanggal yung ulo.
Bakit niyo po siya pinagawa?
Sa Itbulaga yan, sa Itbulaga. Bigay yan sa Itbulaga. Pag nanood ka. Saan siya? See her, she's pretty.
Yes!
Yay, that's so pretty.
Dan. Freckle.
Tapos,
Ito yung pang
Ay,
freckle.
parang may nagamit ng liquid dito. Yan o, na liquid ano. Di,
Hindi po ako.
hinalo niyo yung liquid sa powder. Parang hindi ko na kayo papahiramin talaga. Di o. ACM. Liquid yun, Di. Makakasal yung makeup ko, Di. Lagi na. Kamay si Agin, Di. Meron na pa yung ulo. Ito pa ako talaga.
Nanonood po ba kayo? Come on, guys! Let's try! Come on, guys! Let's go! It's so gulo. Manonood nga muna ako.
Kumain ka na ba? Pag-arito ka na, hindi maalis.
Lama ko mo, sis. This can't be.
Hello? Ate Maxine.
Who's Maxine? We have two Maxines here. Ay, sino nag-ano ng tubig? Hindi nagsama
Ate
mag-tubig.
Maxine.
Who's Maxine?
Wow. Look at it. Ang ba't din po kayo sa akin?
Wait a minute.
Te, paano nga ng lipstick? Anong color yung pang lipstick?
Yung powder, pang powder lang. Yung pang liquid lang.
Are you doing?
Oh.
Te,
Ayaw ko
I
na
need to
lang.
fix Alden. Look what happened to Alden. You broke it again.
No, I didn't. It was her.
Oh!
Her.
O pala Maxine nakasira eh.
Yung ano po?
Ulo ni Alden.
Ano po yung snacks? Ang pang...
Liquid, yung pang liquid. Lipstick ang mga sila.
Pag mo kapit, pag mo
Asan ba nung liquid?
kulong. Yun o, ayun natin yung pang liquid o.
Mine!
Ba't yan? Yan.
Fix Alden.
So what happened to Alden?
Alden's head is broken.
What
Kakatakot.
happened to Alden's head?
Look, oh, it broke.
Okay na. Ging!
My dad was angry.
At her.
It was full.
Her.
It's not yet
May
hot.
basa na,
Can't
babe.
touch it.
Huh?
We have to wait until it's hot.
Punasan mo.
Who's Ate Maxine? Who's Maxine 1 or Maxine 2?
Maxine.
2 or 1? That's Maxine 1. Ate Gingging is Maxine 2.
That one.
First one.
Go.
That girl. She's Ate.
Ate Maxine.
Yeah.
Bakit ang dami ko kasing kapangalan eh? It's the real Maxine.
Who's the real Maxine?
May.
They have same names actually.
Yeah.
Goats.
Can you get the other card?
Sure.
Ano yan?
Yeah. Baby, huwag ka kasi masyadong magulo.
I thought you're gonna help me fix Alden.
Sorry, I have a lot of homework to do.
Huwag ka kasi munang tingin ng tingin.
You're not even helping me, Sochi.
Sorry.
Okay, you just have to hold
Ano ba
Alden's-
nung nasira dyan ni Sachi?
Yung Sochi, Ate Maxine told me you broke this one.
Hindi,
No,
ano ba
I
nung nasira
didn't.
dyan ni
Who
Sachi?
broke it?
Yeah.
Push you
Are you
down.
focused? No.
Not me.
Not me.
Ito mainit.
Me.
Who?
Not me too. Not me. Not me.
Not me. At me. At me. At me.
Broke it. Tell me.
It was you.
Not me. I didn't even touch Alden a while ago. Alden's head is not moving now.
Pero natin yung
You really broke it.
Not
You really
me.
broke
At
Alden's
me.
Not me too.
At me. I was just makeup me.
I just was
But
putting blocks in the cabin.
Hindi mo init mo.
How about we not together?
Hindi mo init yun.
How about we could not together?
Why do you need to clean up such a you don't need to clean up?
to love.
Uy! Yo, ano? Hindi mo. Yun, nawalot mo yung dikit niya.
Done. I'm cleaning up.
Ano mo?
Bakit wala na pa si Aldi?
Ng mga bata, magagalit na papang pag nakita nila.
Hey, hi, Ate Kingy. I didn't run inside. Let's play together.
Display namin.
Ate Kingy, let's play
Lahat ng
together.
gamit.
Ate Kingy, let's play together. Let's play
Walang ko,
together.
mainit yan. Don't touch it.
Hey, Ate Carla, you teach me this game. Wait, let's go. Let's go.
Orbe, mag-ayos muna.
Come on. Ayun na.
Yan no, biligpit mo na to.
Let's
Awal mo
go.
na. Tsaka ano ba, mag-make-up ba kayo mag-dance doon?
How about we play?
Tagal kasi
No,
nag-gaming.
I need this one to make. This one for game. Look at this. Saan niyo po ito?
Dana.
Okay.
Bilan na daw si Bing, mag-ano na kayo.
Wala na. So in. How about we play together? Oh,
Orbe, Sashi, what do you need to do first with the cards?
no.
Sachi, what do you need to do first with the cards? Sachi, what do you need to do first with the cards?
I'm clean up then.
Then clean up. You need to clean up.
Yeah, sorry, I have a lot of different colors.
You have, I will not let you play that. You're not cleaning the first one that you played.
Okay.
You're supposed to clean up. Be, you make up. Ano, gano'n na lang.
OMG! No, Sachet! Sorry.
Kahit di
Do
makan.
you have homework?
I didn't,
You want to do your homework? Why?
I didn't pretend homework.
They're all done with their homework. Only you are not done. Keep. I said clean up the cards first, right?
Yeah.
Te, ano na, kanina pa ako tambay dito. Last na to.
Saan mo kasi mag-make-up?
Wala na ako.
Ang tagal po si... Be, dapat mga electric pa nung sa atin.
I need this one.
Dana.
Be, dapat nga ang pink. Oh, that's nililinis ko yung... Sino gumamit ng pink tapos mag-white tapos pink?
Hindi ako.
Yan o, nai-stress ako sa inyo. Oh.
Si Maxine.
Ito pala girly.
Di na ako gumagamit sa kato. Gusto mo ako magbukamot ko. Paano ko gagamit yan?
Eh, kanina nun
Ang wait na wait ng mukha. Tapos sisisi mo.
kanina nun ginamit mo yon ano? Kinuha mo yung pink. Si Sasa girl na ako.
Wow! That's really great, Sachi.
Look at it. Look at this. I made it fell.
Yeah, that's nice. How about you make more? Make more long.
Okay.
Sachi, but what did I say? You have to fix the cards first. I will not let you play inside.
Oh, hi guys.
Why you played that first? You played it up.
So I'm going to be in
Maawit mo na kusina hanggang sa... Ha?